He's looking at all moving. The sucker's upside down. Oh, dude, that's gonna suck on his paw.
No, it's not.
The sucker's upside down.
What is this?
What's that? What's that?
What is it?
Yeah, he pulled out the same one, so it's not doing anything.
What is it?
Pull it out. Drop it. Pull it out.
What is it?
What is that?
Jeff, what's that?
Jeff.
It's like, you guys are stupid. What is it?
Hey, you should grab a different pole, Doc.
Oh, did I get that on video?
Get it, Jeff.